2.
Hey, what's happening? I got a GS160 in here, Mark II. We were gonna do a restoration on it, but now the original paint's looking pretty good, so we're gonna get it disassembled and see how it looks and maybe just do a preservation on it. Here it is. You know, it's dirty.
You filthy bastard!
But you know, it's got some weird issues and dents here. But overall, it's pretty straight.
I'll give it straight.
Preservation, it means that I've already stripped the respray off of this cowl. This is original paint I exposed.
It's your duty to expose it.
It looks pretty good, so hopefully we don't find anything weird, but just get it apart.
We can go driving on my scooter, you know, just around London.
All right, so I've got this stripped down to where I can get it over across the street to the pressure washer and try and get some of this grime off. Brake pedal's still frozen solid. I'm gonna wait on that. I'm gonna keep spraying it and heating it, and just eventually it'll come loose.
Patience, Dick.
I found, bolted to the bottom of this, I found these 2 lead bars. They're very heavy.
There's that word again, heavy.
Super flexible. Pretty sure it's old school lead like this use. Pipe syndrome. Anyway, I'm not sure what that was all about. Anyway, I'm gonna get it over across the street, clean it off, get on to the next step.
Stories from uni and the West End. You can find me in the pub, we are watching rugby with your school friends. Show me a gray sky, a rainy cab ride. Babes, don't threaten me with a good time. They say home is where the heart is. Gotta love the English. You know I love a London boy. I enjoy nights in Brixton. Shortage in the afternoon. He likes my American smile like a child when I eyes meet. Darling, I fancy.
What are you doing, dude?
Pakistona, this guy.
Get the fuck out of here.
Reservations, tick.